morning. It's day 2 here in Maldives and I'm going crazy because it's so freaking hot and it's only like 10 a.m. and I'm trying out this gimbal. I'm walking and I'm fidgeting a lot. My hands doesn't know what to do. Oh, and it's very pretty here. Let's have a look behind me. Yeah, that's it. Oh my god, there's a bee. Are you serious? Yesterday was quite a long day of traveling, so I didn't really bother to give you guys an update because it's just very tiring to travel. I realize when you travel to the place, you're just wondering whether or not you'll reach there. Let's hope the next few days will be quite nah for me. Where is it? Oh, there. Can you see the shark? That is the shark. But it's so tiny. But I think I'll be scared of this kind of shark already. Good morning. I'm gonna have my breakfast right now. I'll show you what kind of food they have. For dinner is quite simple. Like there's stir-fry noodles, you know, those mee goreng, and then some beef slices and stuff. So, well, they're halal down here, so they can't get pork and stuff, sausage and stuff. Okay, let's go see the food. Oh wait, there's some bikini babe behind me. Let me block her. Done with breakfast right now and probably gonna go take a rest or get a dip in the water. Hi, I'm back and it's still day 2. This time around without the gimbal because the gimbal is charging. So I will be a little bit shaky right now. My hair is kind of like in a beachy wave, but I didn't do anything to it. It's actually completely straight from the start. And I went into the sea and this is what happens to my hair. But I quite like that it's like a little bit like messy and you know, all that. And the color is really fading off really quickly. Usually it doesn't fade off that fast, but I think it's the sea. And okay, in the first place it was purple, right? Why is it all blue right now? I like that it's blue also. It's kind of different color for me. I guess I haven't really had a blue hair before, did I? But I feel like blue fades off very quickly. Oh, I saw a pufferfish that you'll see. Zoom in for you. There, that's a... It doesn't look like a pufferfish right now, but I swear to God it's a pufferfish. Okay, forget it. There are a lot of sharks right now. Wait, I show you. Look at that. Look at all the sharks. All these are baby sharks. I'm currently going to the spa to get a massage and let's see how great it is. I'm so excited. Their full body massage as well as their facial. I hope it will be great. And I can't wait to pamper myself. Let's go! Good morning. It's my third day here. I realized I've always been just vlogging like me going to breakfast and me going to dinner. Well, I'm on half board right now, so it's like half board means you only get breakfast and or dinner. Like you cannot choose all 3 meals. So I brought instant noodles so that in case I'm hungry during lunch, I can eat instant noodles. And it's a lot cheaper because you see, if you choose all inclusive, which is all the 3 meals plus like probably the drinks and stuff, it's extra $100 a day. So can you imagine how much Coke can you drink in a day to cost up to $100? Like I wasn't even that hungry yesterday, so I didn't even eat the instant noodles meant for yesterday. Oh, there's a lot of long nose fish. What do you call that? What's a long nose fish? No, it's not a long nose fish. It's a long nose and then the body is also like a nose. That one line fish, yeah. Look at the amount of fishes. It's like sardine. I think that if you're really thinking of going to Maldives, take half board instead of all inclusive because it's so not worth it. I'll see you when I can vlog again. Bye!